Hello and welcome to Tech Vibe. Today we'll showcase the engineering marvels that keep our world moving. You won't want to miss this. The Kaiser S2 4x4 Cross, known as the Spider Excavator, is designed for extreme terrain and conditions. Its unique design allows each of its four wheels to adjust independently, offering unmatched stability and maneuverability. With a maximum digging depth of up to 15 feet and a cutting width of up to 6 feet, the Kaiser S2 combines power with adaptability, making it ideal for complex groundwork tasks in challenging environments like steep slopes, forests, or riverbanks. The Menzimuk M545 Spider Excavator revolutionizes the way groundwork is approached. This machine isn't just built to dig, it's designed to handle challenging terrain with exceptional agility. With its ability to tilt and rotate each leg independently, the M454 provides unmatched stability on uneven and steep surfaces. Powered by a 157 horsepower engine and boasting a digging radius of 16.4 feet, it is perfectly suited for hard-to-reach areas, making it ideal for construction and repair projects in tough conditions. When handling intricate tasks like rail dismantling, the Hitachi ZX696 and 2 Liebherr A918 Comp XL as a formidable team. The Hitachi ZX696, with its 331 horsepower and 71-ton weight, powers through heavy-duty jobs with ease. Complemented by the precise handling of the Liebherr A918 Comp machines, this trio operates like a synchronized unit. Their seamless coordination turns the dismantling process on Zurich's La Modelstrasse into a smooth operation, demonstrating their combined efficiency and power in tackling such complex tasks. The R9800 mining excavator combines adaptability with high productivity. Customers can choose between a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine, and an electro-hydraulic version is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 becomes a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for large-scale mining projects. The arrival of the Komatsu D475A bulldozer on a construction site signifies that heavy-duty work is about to get done with precision and speed. Thanks to AI Marwan machinery, this behemoth machine is equipped to handle the most challenging tasks, whether it's building embankments or clearing land for new projects. Despite its massive size and power, the D475A stands out with its impressive maneuverability, making it the ideal solution for large-scale construction tasks that demand both strength and accuracy. The Hitachi Zaxis 130 amphibious excavator is designed to operate in challenging terrains such as swamps or bodies of water. With its floating installation and powerful 95 horsepower engine, it can dig up to a depth of 19.7 feet. This makes it the perfect tool for projects like constructing water barriers, cleaning riverbeds, or laying communication lines in hard-to-reach areas. Its versatility and reliability ensure that it delivers top-notch performance, helping complete complex tasks in demanding environments with precision. The RWE 100 cutter wheel is a robust cutting tool designed for excavation and trenching. Ideal for use with excavators or backhoes, it boasts exceptional performance, durability, and versatility. . Constructed with high-quality materials and advanced engineering, the RWE 100 ensures reliable operation even in challenging conditions, making it perfect for construction and underground utility work. Its design allows it to withstand the rigors of demanding excavation tasks, providing efficient and effective cutting capabilities. The John Deere 2154 D-Limmer Tier 4 is a forestry machine designed for high efficiency while maintaining environmental responsibility. Meeting stricter Tier 4 emission standards, it offers a powerful yet eco-friendly solution for processing wood. This D-Limmer can quickly strip branches from logs, preparing them for transport or further processing with minimal environmental impact. Combining strength, efficiency, and reduced emissions, the John Deere 2154 ensures sustainable forestry operations without compromising on performance. Meet the Model A 988 loader, a robust machine engineered for handling heavy materials like marble. It boasts the capability to lift up to 20 tons effortlessly, ensuring both high efficiency and operational safety. The loader is equipped with a powerful engine and state-of-the-art control technology, providing smooth performance in demanding environments. Its durable design makes it a valuable asset in stone quarrying and material processing, streamlining heavy-duty tasks and optimizing productivity. When it comes to keeping railway tracks in top condition, the Jordan spreader plays a vital role. Picture this powerful machine moving along the Withrow substation, efficiently clearing soil and leveling the tracks. The Jordan spreader expertly regrades ballast and soil, pushing them aside to enhance drainage and extend the life of the railway. Watching this rare operation feels like witnessing a specialized piece of railway equipment performing its crucial task, ensuring that the tracks remain in perfect working order. In the world of heavy machinery, thrilling displays of power are not uncommon, and one such spectacle features the Bateman Mag Grab and Senebogen 825E taking on a school bus. With the strength of the magnetic grab, these machines make quick work of dismantling and crushing the bus, turning what was once a functioning vehicle into scrap metal. It's a powerful demonstration of industrial might, where massive machines dominate and dismantle with precision, showcasing their destructive capabilities in dramatic fashion. In the world of construction, Casa Grande Hydro Mill stands out as superheroes among ordinary bulldozers. Designed to withstand the toughest ground conditions, these machines feature two drive gears that rotate directly at the bottom of the trench, effectively milling soil and rock and mixing it with bentonite slurry. Ideal for creating membrane walls, these hydromills are not only reliable, but also exceed expectations, adding a touch of style to every excavation project. DeWine Designs builds and operates the world's largest and most powerful single-pass trenchers, including their latest creation, the MT3500. This monster trencher, with an impressive 3,500 horsepower, is engineered for various underground tasks in loose and semi-solid soils. Capable of reaching depths of up to 160 feet below ground level, the MT3500 excels in installing in-situ mixing, bentonite soil walls, and bentonite cement walls. No other machine matches its capabilities, making it a unique and unrivaled tool for these specialized tasks. The Talon 2000, McElroy's largest machine to date, introduces a revolutionary method for welding large-diameter thermoplastic pipes, which are in increasing demand. This self-propelled vehicle has the unique ability to safely lift pipes from the ground, position them for welding, and move them from joint to joint along the pipeline. It features a fast-acting face machine and motorized indexer for precise and safe positioning of the heater and face machine within the welding apparatus. Welding operations are controlled via a touchscreen operator station designed to mimic the controls of other McElroy hydraulic machines, providing a familiar and user-friendly interface. Introducing one of the industry's best mini-mixers, now with a new hydraulic system to meet the growing needs of developing small towns. This 3 meters cubed mixer truck can navigate narrow roads and reach difficult locations. The self-loading machine features a traffic chamber, automatic water supply and dosing system, an electronic suction pump, and more. Additionally, the mixer drum can be raised by 20 degrees to facilitate concrete unloading. The GBKF is a multi-purpose, versatile vehicle designed for evacuating, towing, or lifting damaged military vehicles. It features a powerful 68.5-foot telescopic boom with a 20-ton capacity, capable of easily and quickly lifting heavy loads. The entire GBKF design is mounted on all-terrain chassis, making it suitable for both off-road use and driving on public roads. This armored military crane from Liebherr is built in full compliance with military requirements, with the highest priority given to crew protection. Friends, meet Volvo's new state-of-the-art log loader, the L200H high-lift model. This machine boasts significant improvements over its predecessor, including a 12.2-ton capacity and a larger grapple, equipped with a stronger rotator which reduces pendulum motion during operation. Additionally, first-class LED lighting provides enhanced visibility, and a collision avoidance system improves safety, a critical aspect of log yard wood handling for Haslacher and its operators. Finally, meet the Menzi RP10, a brush cutter that transforms your excavator into a modern-day knight, wielding a 360-degree rotating cutting head instead of a sword. This mounted knight effortlessly slices through wild brush, removing unwanted trees and stumps as if battling a dragon. With its ability to adjust to multiple angles, the Menzi RP10 is perfect for any task, whether in a dense forest or on a winding hill. Its powerful blades cut through tough vegetation and small trees with ease, making it an indispensable warrior in your construction equipment arsenal. Vermeer's powerful T1255 Commander 3 trencher is engineered to tackle large-diameter pipe trenches in rocky terrain with ease. It features a robust 447-kilowatt Caterpillar engine, providing the necessary power for laying trunk pipelines. Key advantages of this trencher include its maximum digging efficiency in rocky soil, thanks to a low-speed, high-torque engine with a splined main shaft that reduces wear. Additionally, the T1255 Commander 3 boasts longer chain life due to its carbide-alloyed lower pads and optionally available upper boom rollers, enhancing its durability and performance in tough conditions. Introducing AccuCut Concrete Services Giant, an engineering marvel equipped with a 91-inch round diamond blade and a patented skid steer saw. This machine showcased its unique capabilities on the Pinellas Bayway Bridge in the USA, demonstrating exceptional precision and power in concrete cutting. Each cut made by the Giant exemplifies engineering brilliance and technological innovation, setting new standards for quality in the construction industry. The transportation of ET-94, NASA's last external fuel tank, to the California Science Center became a public spectacle. Attracting crowds eager to witness this historic journey. The complex operation, involving advanced technology and powerful machinery, highlighted the significance of this piece of space history. As ET-94 made its way through the streets, onlookers marveled at the precision and coordination required to safely transport such a massive and important artifact, making it an important chapter in space exploration history. The Senebogen 640E duty cycle crane is engineered for demanding and dynamic tasks, accommodating a wide range of attachments. Its robust design makes this 40-ton machine particularly effective in building special foundations, whether paired with a leader rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine. The crane's multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive offer unparalleled versatility. The 640E excels in logistical tasks and various construction jobs thanks to its mobile undercarriage and a 69-foot-long lattice boom, making it an invaluable asset for numerous heavy-duty applications. Mostenbroek's unrivaled range includes innovative solutions that offer efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. Their new 4020 model was developed to meet global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher incorporating the latest technology for installing drainage slopes with greater efficiency and repeatability. The Model 4020 drainage plow prioritizes operator comfort and safety while adhering to stricter environmental standards. It can install plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches and is powered by a Volvo Pentastage 4 diesel engine rated at 315 kilowatts or 428 horsepower. A carefully thought-out organization of the logistics operation makes the process itself much easier. Bodembo's latest promo film highlights the cutting-edge Cutter soil mix technology utilized in construction on the parkland in Veghel. The video showcases the use of advanced machinery and engineering expertise to create durable soil walls, crucial for the safety and longevity of future structures. This visual demonstration emphasizes the reliability of soil stabilization techniques, presenting them as key innovations in ensuring robust construction for future projects. Driving at night is easier on the one hand because the traffic is lower, but on the other hand, it requires extra attention. This video highlights the impressive process of beet delivery to the Acklam Sugar Factory. Featuring Volvo L180H wheel loaders with nearly 23-foot-wide buckets. The footage captures the loaders' precision and strength as they handle large quantities of beets with ease, ensuring the uninterrupted flow of operations at one of the largest sugar plants in the region. The combination of skilled operators and powerful equipment transforms the heavy lifting of raw materials into an efficient and almost artistic performance. I don't know about anyone else, but for truck drivers, a high school knowledge of geometry sure comes in handy. (42.1) Additionally, the Carmix 3500 TC is a self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with a 4,850-liter drum. It includes modern 4-inch sensors, electronic scales for easy handling, and accurate mix composition. The new cab offers enhanced safety and visibility for the operator. Equipped with ProMix technology, the 3500 TC can analyze mix composition, including slump, volume, temperature, humidity, and readiness, ensuring high-quality concrete production. Sometimes, the vagaries of the road make things a little stressful, especially for drivers of multi-ton trucks. The patented Eagle Punch Cutter 2 is a portable machine designed to split off-road tires, or OTR, into two halves by cutting through the center of the tread. It can accommodate various tire sizes, ranging from a 39-inch rim size and 37-inch tread width up to a 63-inch rim size and 70-inch tread width. The machine uses a blade to punch the tire, while a programmable logic controller, or PLC, manages the tire rotation and the punching process. This allows the operator to set up the machine, press the start button, and let it run automatically. Transporting heavy loads for a solar power plant is no easy task, especially when it involves moving 10 huge tanks across Dubai. The AI Ferris Group tackled this challenge using two new Arox trucks, each with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons. These trucks handled the task superbly, even with the immense size of the loads. The two 6x6 trucks are powered by a robust OM 473 six-cylinder engine, delivering 425 kilowatts. Additionally, they feature a critical technology ideally suited for such operations, the non-wear turbo retarder clutch, which ensures smooth and efficient handling of heavy loads. Any wind turbine without its huge blades is like having no arms. The new generation of Dynapack rollers showcases enhanced maneuverability and productivity. The CA30 model is equipped with the latest innovations, ensuring maximum operational safety and fuel efficiency. This powerful roller features a unique over-compaction alarm system to prevent premature breakdowns. The new generation machine is equipped with a transverse engine commonly used in similar class machines, which provide excellent component accessibility and full comfort during service maintenance. That's dexterity and precision. Few, even experienced drivers are able to park and unload the vehicle perfectly, and load it in the same way almost from the first time. Watch a behind-the-scenes look at a major construction project at a ski resort near Telluride, Colorado. This video showcases the impressive use of the TC50 machine in two critical areas: aiding in the interior concreting of a mega residential building. In just 3 days, the dedicated team efficiently laid 1,000 yards of gravel, highlighting exceptional organization and speed. This project is not only technically demanding, but also remarkable in its scale and swift execution. A long and difficult journey is much easier to tackle together, especially when you always have a great team of experts at your side. Pavelli is renowned for producing fully customized trailers, maintaining an artisanal approach and family management for over 40 years. Their latest innovation is a special modular low-bed semi-trailer featuring a center beam frame that is extendable and expandable with a removable height-adjustable neck. The entire structure is hot-dipped galvanized for high corrosion resistance and longevity. This semi-trailer includes pneumatic or hydraulic suspension with a knee mechanism and hydraulic steering system, with radio control for easy maneuvering, exemplifying Pavelli's commitment to quality and adaptability. The loading of oversized cargo is subject to increased requirements because the quality and safety of delivery depends on the reliability of its fastening. This video showcases Pollock's new 12-line ESS modular platform trailer utilized in a 2x4x8 beam configuration. Watch how the trailer performs on the road and how its features can enhance your operations. This standout feature is the ESS, an electronic steering system that allows simultaneous steering of all axles. Designed to optimize the axle steering angle based on the trailer's length or width, the ESS can be remotely controlled to increase the steering angle in tight corners or on challenging terrain, providing exceptional maneuverability and control. What makes the Beton block system so unique? The key feature is that large concrete blocks can be used to create structures that would be impossible without poured concrete. The system functions similarly to Lego and is just as straightforward. The blocks form a stable, movable, and scalable stacking system that requires no mortar, making them ideal for both temporary and permanent structures. Beton block steel molds are specifically designed to enable contractors to easily produce highly functional concrete blocks. These blocks fit tightly together thanks to studs on the top and notches on the bottom. This flexible construction method allows for easy expansion or modification of any structure at any time. The most important thing for complex transportation is to get the route right, taking into account road widths and curves. Add-drive and add-dronic technologies have revolutionized heavy transportation, providing advanced features that change how oversized and heavy loads are moved. These innovations allow operators to easily handle challenging routes, perform precise maneuvers, and ensure optimal load distribution throughout the journey. With precise control, enhanced maneuverability, and load optimization, AD-Drive and ADRonic systems significantly boost safety, efficiency, and productivity in heavy transport operations. This seems to be a favored road for many trucks. Using the TMK 300 tree shears with a John Deere 60G swing boom from Swift Fox Industries successfully cleared the trees on the other side of the fence. The pivoting boom offered the needed flexibility, enabling the grapple to press tightly against the fence even when bending was required. The TMK shears proved to be an invaluable tool for quickly and precisely clearing the area around the fence, making the process both convenient and efficient. The white background all around gives the transportation of the extra-large vaporizer an even more impressive look. The Waratah HTH625C360 is a highly advanced and versatile harvester head designed for the forestry industry. Suitable for both wheeled and tracked harvesters, it offers compatibility with a wide range of forestry machines. Its robust construction and high-quality components ensure reliability and longevity even in demanding conditions. Engineered to withstand intense forestry operations, the HTH625C360 provides a reliable solution for various harvesting tasks. Agricultural work is not a problem because the delivery of tractors is fast and high quality. The Syntrack with a snowblower attachment is a powerful and versatile machine designed for efficient and precise snow removal. Featuring a robust chassis and high-performance engine, it handles heavy snowfall and demanding conditions effortlessly. The powerful auger and blower system break down and disperse snow effectively, ensuring quick and thorough clearing of roads, driveways, parking lots, and other snow-affected areas. Box Loader's X-Trem side loader sets a new standard in the industry with its exceptional capabilities. Boasting an unmatched lifting capacity of 44 tons in any position, it also features the longest reach available, offering 55.10 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. This robust machine can handle the heaviest containers, even those that are on poorly positioned or have unevenly distributed loads. The SmartRock T40 surface drilling machine features a state-of-the-art intelligent control system, making it both operator-friendly and business-friendly. Primarily used in construction material quarries, it focuses on efficiency and reducing environmental impact. By delivering the right amount of power at each stage of drilling, the machine optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. These advanced features make the SmartRock T40 versatile and suitable for a wide range of applications. This is not science fiction. You can purchase the TieBot robot right now. This innovative, autonomously working robot binds rebar. Using a small remote control panel, the TieBot is positioned for operation. It uses computer vision to see the rebar, mimicking human vision. The robot can tie approximately 1,000 pieces of rebar per hour, equivalent to the work output of a team of 6 to 8 workers. Initially targeted at the bridge industry, TieBot is now ready for any horizontal rebar work. Thanks to the significant productivity boost, the payback period for this development is only about 1 year. Meet the champions of wood processing, the RCA 480 Joy Plus and RCA 480 Joy from Thatcher. These robust machines are engineered for forestry, converting logs into firewood with remarkable energy efficiency. Their seamless transition between transport and work modes speeds up the process, while their user-friendly operation and compact yet durable design ensure they are both efficient and easy to use. The RCA 480 Joy and Joy Plus are your dependable tools for boosting productivity in wood production. In this video, you can see the long logger from Elphinstone in action with sun chip harvesting. The vehicle's easy loader bolt-on attachment option makes it highly adaptable for various log hauling applications. It can be easily modified and is also available in a standard flat tow option. The Easy Loader stands out because it can handle all applications from general access routes to B triple routes, with payloads ranging from 32 to 68 tons. Its stretchable mudguards and fully enclosed suspension offer superior protection for cables, airlines, and brake parts, simplifying cleaning and reducing road spray and mud on logs. Introducing the Vermeer RTX 1250, a cutting-edge tractor designed to enhance your installation operations with ease and efficiency. This versatile trencher features a range of smart attachments, making it perfect for all your cable and utility installation needs. Whether dealing with challenging terrain, the RTX 1250 offers superior mobility with its powerful tracks or tires. Experience the satisfaction of completing jobs efficiently with this innovative machine tailored to meet your needs. The TV2 SOS trailer is designed for transporting long and standard vehicles without needing a crane for loading onto a semi-trailer. Its unique features include an adjustable neck surface that can facilitate the loading and unloading of vehicles, made height adjustable by 2 hydraulic cylinders. The trailer has a total lifting capacity of 48 tons and expandable loading surface that can handle up to 15 tons. Various modifications are available upon customer request, including car carrier, low floor, and roadside assistance models. Croc Lift continues to amaze with its innovative machine design. Their amphibious trailers, equipped with tracks instead of traditional wheels, effortlessly maneuver on both land and water. Watching these machines dive into the water to retrieve a small vessel is truly impressive. These trailers represent not just advanced technology, but a masterpiece of engineering designed to solve unique challenges in extreme conditions. The UNAC Rail Model 22 TRR railroad excavator is packed with impressive features. It can lift loads up to 6 tons and boasts 2 motorized rail axles for hydrostatic movement and braking. The machine is also equipped with a special boom safety system that limits movement when working under live wires, ensuring safety and reliability during operations. The Collier and Miller C&M Channeler is a heavy-duty machine designed for robust performance. It features a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, ensuring versatility and adaptability. Customers can choose between a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration or request custom sizes to meet specific requirements. The machine's design emphasizes reliability and efficiency, consistent with the high performance of all Collier and Miller equipment. Hadrian X is a groundbreaking robot capable of building brick structures. The system features a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck, with a separate frame housing for the electrical equipment and a van for the control systems. Before starting work, Hadrian X reviews CAD drawings of the house, creates a 3D model, and plans the construction. The robot determines which bricks need to be cut and where the scraps can be reused, significantly reducing waste. During tests, Hadrian X laid an average of 150 bricks per hour, peaking at 200 bricks per hour, totaling over 1,000 bricks per day. In comparison, a typical mason can lay between 400 and 600 bricks daily.
If you are thrilled by the immense power of heavy equipment and the wonders of modern engineering, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore technological frontiers and uncover the impressive innovations shaping our world.